Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, you'll need a few essential tools: a Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft brush for cleaning. Make sure you have everything ready before beginning. First, unplug your Dyson SV17 and ensure it's completely powered off. This is crucial for your safety. Next, use the Torx screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back of the vacuum. There are usually 4 screws to take out. Make sure to keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. If you encounter any resistance, gently wiggle the screwdriver to loosen the screws without damaging the casing. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the back panel off. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open if it's stuck. This will expose the motor compartment. Now, you'll see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment using the soft brush. This will help your new motor perform optimally. If you feel unsure at any point, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you assess the situation. Next, disconnect the wires attached to the motor. Take note of how they are connected, as you'll need to replicate this when installing the new motor. You can use your smartphone to take a picture for reference. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get this done without any hassle. Now, remove the screws securing the motor in place. These are typically located on the sides of the motor. Once unscrewed, gently pull the motor out of the compartment. Take your new motor and insert it into the compartment. Make sure it aligns properly with the screw holes. Screw it back in securely, ensuring it's fastened tightly to avoid any movement during operation. Reconnect the wires based on the reference you took earlier. Ensure they are firmly attached, as loose wires can cause malfunctions. After everything is connected, replace the back panel. Make sure it fits snugly. Then, use the Torx screwdriver to reattach the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them evenly to avoid any misalignment. Finally, give the entire vacuum a thorough cleaning, especially the filters and dust bin, to ensure optimal performance. If you prefer to skip this step, just remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what you're paying for. Once everything is reassembled, plug in your Dyson SV17 and turn it on to test if the new motor is functioning correctly. If all goes well, you've successfully changed the motor. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for support. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.